Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix image not opening problem on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Type Photos, click Photos. Change to another application. Change to another application. Second method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click View Installed Apps. Click three dots, click Advanced Options. Fourth method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Open Microsoft Store. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.